Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to increase your TikTok likes. Alright, so if you're hoping to get more likes on TikTok, there's a tip I'm about to share that will help you do that. Right, so let's get started. First step you have to take is, of course, open your TikTok app and log into your account. Right, so after that you have to head to your profile. So on your profile, you need to make sure that you have interesting content, right? Because of course people wouldn't like something that isn't interesting. So you need to make sure you have interesting content on your TikTok account. All right, so once you have interesting content, the next thing that have to come to your mind is to increase the visibility of your content. Right, so how can you increase the visibility of your content? You can do that by sharing your content or by promoting your content. All right, so if you want to increase the likes of any of your content, just select the content just like this, and if you look right here, you are going to see three dots showing right there. Click on that three dots, and from here you can see the option to share your content to any platform, and that could help you get some likes. Apart from that, you can promote your content to gain more visibility, and when you gain more visibility and your content is interesting, there's a probability that people are going to like your content. So how can you increase your visibility of your content? You can do that by clicking on the increase views at the bottom area of your screen right here. So once you click on that, from here you have to select you have to choose your goal. Is your goal to increase your video views, or to get more followers, or to gain more profile views? All right, so for me, I will just select more video views. All right, that's what I want, that's my target. Right, so after selecting that, you have to scroll down just a little bit and choose a promotion pack. Now this promotion pack has to do with the expected views for the content and also your budget for the expected views. The first one we have here is 2,300 and the budget is 910 naira, right, and that's in my local currency. And the next one there is 3,800. the budget is 1,485 naira, and the last one right there is 12,800 views and the budget is 5,000 naira. All right, so just choose the one that suits your budget, and then you have to now scroll down and select the terms. Select these radio button right here to accept TikTok promotion program terms and condition. Once that is selected, if you have insufficient coin, because you have to have sufficient coin to promote your video, right? But if you have insufficient coin, you will see this option to recharge at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you recharge and come back here, you will get the option to start your promotion. Right, so once you start promotion, your video is going to gain visibility, and if it's interesting enough, people are going to like your content, and that's a great way of increasing your likes on TikTok. All right, so I hope this tutorial was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.